Right, in the leaflet, extra exercises, unit 5. Look at the picture sequence here and write a story about what happened to Gregor and Babs. This is part of your homework for Monday, October 5th. Writing. I scroll down and here we have it. It's page 81 in the leaflet. Look at the pictures and write a story about what happened to Gregor, the dog, when Babs, the woman, went shopping one day. And it's the past tense, right on It's Learning. Look and listen first at Jessica's film on It's Learning, where she gives an example. And this is the film. What I will do is not write about the story. You will write. You write, but I do not. I will talk about the story to give you an example of what you can write, but you cannot copy what I say. This is Babs. She's an old woman who lives in Wales, and this is her dog named Gregor. He is a Welsh Terrier. They love each other very, very much. And now I will tell the story about what happened one day when Babs and Gregor went shopping. Babs took Gregor to the store. She wanted to buy some food, but she could not bring Gregor into the store. So she took his lead and tied it to a hook on the wall outside the door. She left Gregor there. Suddenly a boy came. He saw Gregor and stole him. He took the lead and walked away with Gregor. He took him home to his room in his house. I think he actually liked the dog very much and wanted a dog of his own. I don't think the boy was very old either. He petted the dog very much. He thought the dog was warm and beautiful, and Gregor, the dog, wagged his tail, dunk 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 dunk, because he liked it too. Then his mother entered the room. She's noticed the dog and thought, "Oh my God, what is this? My boy stole a dog." She was very upset and very angry with her son. The boy got very sad because his mother said that we have to take the dog back. You cannot steal a dog. The boy cried, but they walked back to the store. Babs was finished in the store. She walked outside. She was very surprised to see that Gregor wasn't there. He had disappeared. He was nowhere. She waited and got worried, more and more worried. But finally, she noticed Gregor walking down the street with a woman and her son. They gave the dog back to her, and both Gregor and Babs were very happy. "What a good boy," Babs said to the boy, but I don't think he was very happy. Do you?